Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Pixel 10 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the system section. Then let's tap on backup, and since this is a Google device, then the default one is connected with the Google account. So just tap on turn on and tap on next. Tap on add account and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and confirm everything with your screen lock. Here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do it and tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, we've got our password, so let's tap on next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and then tap on next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, we can tap on them to learn more, and tap on I agree after reading. Now let's tap on the Google account, and now we can decide what kind of data we would like to back up, so either photos and videos or other device data, or both. It's totally up to you. You can mark both. I will choose only this one and tap on confirm. So as you can see, we've got this information that right now our device will back up the data to our Google account. After entering, for example, other device data, so the option which I've marked, we can enter more specifics. So we can check how much space we've got left. We can clean up the storage and decide whether we want to use mobile or metered Wi-Fi data. And to be honest, I highly recommend to keep this option turned off, so you can avoid some charges. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.